So hi team, this is a video demo regarding the client concern on the matrix tree. Okay, as you can see here, there's a fifth member, and the second level or the first level, it should only be 4. Okay, so as you can see, this is the error. So I replicate one of the user here. So I replicated one of the user here. I pull out the account and mimic. Let's check here. So this is the matrix tree. As you can see, there is one. I believe this is our test account here. So this should only be 4. So this is the problem of this user, and I also posted here the affected user. Okay, so that's the issue from the client. Thank you.